We're making a healthy smoothie with all the flavor of an orange creamsicle and almost 30 grams of protein. It's made with cottage cheese, protein powder, and cashew butter with fresh orange and banana for a delicious breakfast or quick meal. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make this really easy smoothie, you'll need an upright blender. I'm just going to use the smoothie cup that comes with my blender. And I filled it with half a cup of almond milk, but you could use any milk that you like. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details. Now to add some protein as well as a really soft creamy texture, I'm going to add some cottage cheese, but you could also use Greek yogurt if you like. So I'm adding 1/4 cup of cottage cheese, and you could use low fat, non-fat, whatever your preference. Next I'm going to add 1 orange that's been peeled, and half of a frozen banana for sweetness and creaminess, 2 tablespoons of protein powder. I really like using this organic plant-based protein powder because it's naturally sweetened and it has a really good flavor that my whole family likes. And I've included a link in the description below if you'd like to check it out. And for some healthy fats and flavor, I'm going to add a tablespoon of cashew butter, but you can omit this or use any nut butter that you like. Now, if you could use some healthy inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. And for a little extra flavor, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we'll just screw on the lid, put it on the base, and then blend until smooth and creamy. Now we have this incredibly smelling orange smoothie. Pop in my straw, and it is ready to enjoy. That is so delicious. That gives you all the orange creamsicle vibe, but with really clean, natural ingredients. Now, if you wanted to sweeten it up just a little bit, you could add the other half of that frozen banana, or you can also add about half a tablespoon of some maple syrup. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today to make this really fun smoothie. I've included the full recipe and it's in the video description below. And that takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also would like to invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.